Hello, 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 hello. Turn this turned on here. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the stream. My name is Will Pye, and I am here today. We're going to do a Next.js challenge. So I'm kind of new to the Next.js world. Never really done anything with it. Wanted to learn some stuff about it and figured what better way than to do a little challenge here. Let's see, how do I don't know how to reset my timer. Give me a second here. How do I reset my timer? I thought there was a button on here to redo it, but bear with me one moment here. I failed to get my timer going. I mean, I should have. I apologize. Give me a second here. We'll get it working. We will get it working. Just gotta go and do the timer. Now it's working. Hey. Okay, let's that was all fun and games, ladies and gentlemen, but now today, basically the purpose of this stream is I kind of wanted to hold myself accountable and get the basic course done. So with Next.js, they do have this basic online course where you can learn, the basics. Very easy. I'm going to set a 2-hour, 30-minute time limit just because I am kind of constrained here. I have other responsibilities, and I kind of want to force myself to push through it. The goal of the challenge is to complete all 16 chapters, plus the conclusions. Get through them all, which I'll show here in just a moment. And yeah, the main reason I'm doing this is because I do have a countdown timer project that I kind of want to do here coming up, a Jobs Word project, just a couple projects to get a portfolio together, which can hopefully lead to some other stuff there. So so welcome. I appreciate y'all joining me today, and let's take a look at what we're getting into this afternoon here. So here's the course. Learn Next.js. It is the official Next.js kind of starter course. This is kind of what you're building. Mostly interested in at the end I'll be able to have a website that's ready to ship, knowledge to build and deploy your own. So hopefully after doing this piece, I'll be able to go on and then, use this technology to get the countdown timer website. And once I get that, we'll keep moving on. Okay. So yeah, here's the 16 chapters. We have an intro, and then all kinds of stuff to learn, and then there is a conclusion at the end. So if y'all are ready, I'm ready. Let me get a drink here and we'll get started. Getting started is the first step, so let's go. Start learning. All right, learn Next.js. What we're building welcome to the Next.js App Router course. This is a free interactive course. You'll learn the main features of Next.js by building a full stack web development. Let me get my timer started. Don't want to cheat here. I already cheated a little bit. Okay. Already cheated a little bit. Can you believe it? All right, so here's what we're building, this little neat dashboard, Acme. Okay, yeah. For this course, we'll be building a simplified version of the financial dashboard that has a public homepage, login page, dashboard page, ability for users to edit, delete invoices. Dashboard will also have an accompanying database. Just set up in a later chapter. At the end of the course, you'll have the essential skills needed to start building a full stack Next.js applications. Okay, that's exactly what we want. Here's an overview of the features you'll learn: styling, optimization, routing, data fetching, search impregnation, maturing data, error handling. There's some basic stuff there. So a little background about me before we get too deep into this. So I don't have any Next.js background experience with that, but I do have experience building websites, mostly WordPress kind of related stuff. Done a lot of WordPress stuff, a little PHP, done some scripting, some basic easy tools. That's kind of my experience there. And then kind of went into finance from that. So not very experienced as far as Next.js goes. But we got this prerequisite knowledge. I do have a basic understanding. I get the idea of what it's for. System requirements, we can do that too. So 113 Fiona, thank you for that. Appreciate the follow on Twitter for sure. So yeah, let's get started creating a new project. We're recommending PNPM. Okay, yeah, I think I got that going. So yeah, let's create a new project. So you can install it globally. Okay, let's just give this a shot. We'll see. We'll see. I think I have it globally, but let's give it a shot. See what happens. See what happens. Okay. Yeah, we're good there. All right. To create the Next.js app, open your terminal into the folder you'd like to keep your project, and run the following command. Okay, we're just gonna create next app, and then it's Next.js dashboard. Okay, so it's gonna install this from GitHub, kind of the basic starter app. Okay, and it's gonna use PNP. Okay, I kind of understand what's going on. That's my main goal here, is just to understand what's going on. Just get the basic idea, right? So let's do that. And I'm already in my folder here, Next.js. Need to install the following packages. Okay, to proceed. Yeah, let's do it. Creating next. Okay, yeah, it's going through. This is good. We're programming here. We're doing good stuff. Stuff's happening. Just downloading something. I need some like Matrix music or something, right? Okay, don't get distracted. We got time right here. We only got 2.5 hours, so we got to focus and get through all this. Okay, so while that's doing that, let's just keep going. So it's going to create that. Okay, perfect. So exploring the project. Unlike tutorials that you write code from scratch, much of the code for this course is already written for you. The best better reflects real-world development. We're likely to be working with existing code bases. Okay. So after installation, open the project in your code editor and navigate to Next.js dashboard. Okay. Oh no. Something bad happened, but look, it installed it, right? So I mean, how bad of an error is that? Who knows? Let's just keep going and see what happened, because we got some files here. So let's take a look. So we're going to look at our folder structure. Okay, yeah, I do notice that folder structure. We got lib and public scripts, public. where's scripts? That might be our problem. Scripts. I don't think I have scripts. Where's my scripts? All right, we'll just add it in when we need it. If you know what I mean, we'll just add it in when we need it. Okay. So folder structure, placeholder data. So yeah, if you don't have the database yet, we can use placeholder. That makes sense. In this project, we have placeholder data. Let's take a look. What is it? Lib placeholder. So app lib placeholder. Okay, I see. So nice placeholder data for our project. All right, in the chapter setting up database, you'll use this data to seed your database and populate it with some initial data. Perfect. You may also notice most files are TS/TSSX. Okay, this is because it's written in TypeScript. I want to create a course that reflects a modern landscape. Okay, if you don't know TypeScript, we'll provide TypeScript snippets when required. We'll walk you through it. We'll handhold it for you. Don't worry, we'll handhold. Alright, by using TypeScript, you can ensure you don't accidentally pass the wrong data format. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Invoice table has the following tags. Okay, I kind of understand. We're getting into the weeds there, but I kind of understand. Alright, so now we need a development server. Alright. So, install projects packages. Okay. Kind of know what that means. Oh, okay. I need to go cd Next.js dashboard. Yeah. Man, I don't know what that. I should probably look that up. Alright, let's go. Yeah, dev. Let's just keep powering through. We're just gonna hope our server works. Command failed to execute. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's no such file or directory. Why is there no node module system? .pvn hero react. Well, I don't know what I'm doing, so I don't know why that's not in there. We're icon. At 19. It's so there. It's so there. Was it giving me a fun error? Alright, let's go dig. Let's go dig. Look at all my files. Let me show off all my files. I mean, it's there, right? This is it. Just doesn't like it. Yo, what's up, Jessica? Jessica Kevin? You're just in time for me to figure out. I don't know what the hell's going on. I'm just lost in life right now. Lost in life. Let me just try this again. I might have to unplug it and then replug it back in and see if I can fix it. What's up? What you got going on today? Did that work? I think it worked. Did it work? Okay. Well, let's see. It did not work. It did not work whatsoever. Because I'm trying to do it on an external drive. So, man, I'm only 11 minutes in. I'm already running into this. No such file directory. Rename it to... There's such a file directory. I don't understand. Maybe I need to start from the top. I did all that. We're looking good there. And then you do this, and this is where it takes a dump. Like if I go to that. There's a folder there. Something. So whatever happened before. Okay. I see. It's all good. We didn't get that far. Let's just start. Let's start from the top. Give me a follow on X. Yeah, for sure, Jessica. I appreciate that. Yeah. Appreciate the follow. Definitely will return the favor. Okay. Let's see if this will have any better luck. Let's see if we have any better luck. I don't know if we will. We're gonna try. We're gonna try. What is that? What is this? We're going down a rabbit hole here, y'all. Let's go down the rabbit hole. We want this. What is this? What is that? And what is that? Let's see. Let's break it down. Standalone issue script window. Let's go in it. Let's go deep. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, kind of the same idea. Say any. restart and reboot. Let's try that. Apply project. Take it from the top. It's not looking good, y'all. If we're gonna go this slow, it's gonna take us a minute. It's gonna take us a minute. Okay, this is going better. This is going better so far. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can it be done? It is thinking about it. Ay. Is this a bad folder? Maybe I need to, let's try something else. Let's try something else. Yeah, let's try something else. We'll just go in here. Okay, let's just delete that, and then let's try again. We'll try again. I'm gonna remove. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go C. Actually, can I just close that, and then there we go. Okay, let's try it over here. Maybe I just had it in a bad spot. Let's see what happens if I do it over here. I don't really know what I'm doing, so you'll just have to hold on to your butts, cause okay, that look better. That looked better, didn't it? Didn't something move that didn't move last time? Maybe better. That looked better. Yeah, and we're gonna go into the thing. Yeah, okay, and then I bet we have our scripts. No, but I bet we're gonna make it. Okay, we're going good. Okay, we did all that. Now we're getting our development server, and it's gonna actually work this time. Okay, it's okay. We're getting the issue out of the way first. In that first 20 minutes, that way we'll be good to go after that. Look at all that. All right, now if we go development server, and we'll just never know what that error was about. I just unplugged it back in. Okay, currently your homepage does not have any styles. Let's look at different ways you can style your Next.js. Global styles. All right, you find a file called global CSS. Let's find that. Where's the global CSS? UI global CSS. Okay. Next up, you can import global CSS in any component in your application, but it's usually good practice to add it to your top level component. In Next.js, this is your root layout, more on that later. Add global styles to your application by navigating to layout.tsx and importing the global tsx file. Okay, so we're just going to add this little bad boy right there, right? Just add that bad boy right there. Okay, we're going to the layout. Now, I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Just trying to follow along and eventually kind of pick up on stuff. Okay, that's the whole code. So we just imported that. That's all we did. Okay. With the development server still running, you can see your changes. Oh, I didn't save my changes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I know, that's stupid. Okay. Next. Wait a second, you didn't add any CSS rules. Where did these styles come from? Yeah, if you look inside global CSS, you'll see some tailwind directives. Tailwind directives, okay. Tailwind is a CSS framework that speeds up the development process by allowing you to quickly write utility classes directly into TSX markup. And Tailwind use style elements by adding class names. For example, adding the class text blue 5000 will turn the H1 text blue. I'm Although the CSX styles are shared globally, each class is singularly applied to each element. That means if you add or delete an element, you don't have to worry about maintaining separate style sheet styles. Okay, that's very cool. You can use Create Next app to start a new project. Next.js will ask if you want to use Tailwind. If you select yes, Next.js will automatically install the necessary packages to configure Tailwind in your application. Okay, so Tailwind's kind of like a shortcut, right, to CSS. It has some styles that are automatic kind of thing. Okay, now look at page. You'll see the Tailwind classes in the example. Page. Okay, yeah. Seems a little complicated, but it is what it is. So, okay, so this example, don't worry, if this is your first time using Tailwind, to save time, we've styled all the components you'll be using. Let's play with Tailwind. Copy the code below and paste it above the P element. Paste it above the P element, okay. So I'll stick that bad boy in there. Save. Okay, let's see what happened. A little black triangle. Alright, what shape do you see when I put this code snippet in there? It added that little black triangle. Yay. Okay, who prefers threading with choices or CSS models? You can still separate in your... Okay, that's a great alternative. CSS modules allow you to scope CSS to a component by automatically creating a unique class name, so you don't have to worry about the most style collisions as well. We'll continue using Tailwind in this course, but let's take a moment to see how you can achieve the same results from the above CSS using CSS modules. Okay, inside app.ui, create a file called home.modules.css. Okay. App.ui. And create a new file called home. Is that right? App.ui. App.ui. Okay, home. Add these rules. Okay, let's add the rules. Add the rules. Inside the page.tx, import the styles. Okay, so we're gonna need to add this bad boy on the page. Kind of the top here. Okay. And then we're gonna do div class styles.shape. Under main. Save your changes. Okay, let's see what we did. All that work, let's see what happened. Did it do it right? What was supposed to happen? You should see the same shape as before. Oh, we're just doing the same. We're doing the same thing. Okay. Okay, I see. I understand the lesson now. Increase the global okay, what's the one benefit of using CSS modules? Increase the global scope of CSS classes, making them easier to manage across different files. Right away, I can see it because locally scoped. Okay, yeah, I think it's that. We win. Using the CLSX library to toggle class names. There may be cases where you need to conditionally style the elements based on state or some other condition. CLSX is a library that lets you toggle class names easily. We recommend taking a look at the documentation for more details, but here's the basic usage. Suppose you want to create invoice status with pending or paid. It's paid if you want the color to be green. It's pending and you want the color to be gray. That happens. You can use clicks conditionally to do it off this, okay. Search for CLSX in your code. Okay, what? Can I do this up here? The table definitely does. What else do we got? Table. Is there a better way to search? So status, pagination. Let's go with that. What do y'all think? All right, we shall continue. In addition to the approaches we discussed, you can also style your Next.js application with. Okay, yeah, CSS. Okay, yeah, and option. So you can use libraries. Of course, you can use libraries for everything. Okay, fonts and images. In the previous chapter, you learned how to style your Next.js application. Let's continue working on your homepage by adding a custom font and hero image. Yes, please. Custom font and hero image. Fonts play a significant role in the design of a website, but using custom fonts can affect performance if the font files need to be fetched. That is true. Where are we? Community and layout shift is a metric used by Google to evaluate the performance. With fonts, layout shift happens when the browser initially renders text in the fallback of the system font and then swaps to the custom font. I think we've all seen that. Where it shifts it and you're like, whoop, hate it. You're trying to click on something. Anyway, Next.js automatically optimizes the font in the application. When you use the Next.js font module, it downloads the fonts at build time and hosts them with other static assets. Okay, perfect. How does Next.js optimize fonts? It hosts font files with other static assets, so there's no additional network requests. We're learning. Adding a primary font. And let's add a custom Google font to your application and see how it works. In your app.ui folder, create a file called font.ts. Let me move my mic here a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay, font.ts. We can do that. Let's do that. So my app folder, app UI, and create a file. And I'll call it fonts.ts. Import the enter from the next font. Okay. So we're gonna import that from Google, the enter font, and then export. Okay, I sort of get what we're looking at there, and then finally we're gonna add the font to the body. So we're gonna go back to our layout one. Let me copy this. Let's go to our layout. We're gonna put this bad boy right there. Okay, that's our font. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna put some body in there. Body. Place the body. Let's save it. Let's see what she did. Second error of the challenge. Okay, let's see. What did we do wrong here? What did we do wrong? What did I do? I maybe need to save it. I need to save. Did I fix it? I fixed it! We did it! We did it! Second error solved. User error again. Okay, practice adding a secondary font. You can also add fonts to specific elements of your application. Now it's your turn. In your fonts.ts file, import a secondary font called Lucienta and pass it to the P element in your page. We can do this. Okay, we're going to import. Okay, I got this. I got this. Watch this. We're going to plug that baby in there. That's it, right? And then we're going to apply it to the P element. Oh no, I gotta do this fab. I gotta export it. I gotta import it and then I gotta export it. I think. I think that's how that works. Don't ask me. Do that. Okay. And then we want it to the P. Ay. Okay. We want it to the P class name. Okay, what'd I do? Save it. What'd I do with the P? Okay, so we did the same thing with the body. we're gonna get it in there. Check, just watch this. Watch this make it happen. So I think I can just remove this and save it. And then if we have errors, we have errors. Okay, I can fix that. I can fix that. Watch this. Don't you worry about a thing. Alright. I know, we're doing good. Don't worry. I know, we're already 36 minutes in, but we're doing good. Oh my gosh, okay. Missing weight. Okay, what's the solution here? Okay. Oh, it needed weights. I think that's the problem here. Let's see. How do they do that? Oh my gosh. How do we do that? Okay. Did that fix it? When the page is red, that means you have to fix it or you're gonna have some problems. I don't think I did that right. Is that how it's supposed to look? Why does yours look different than one? Okay, so they kept the stuff on there. They kept the stuff on there. That looks a lot better. That looks better. Woo! 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 Okay. Let's keep it. We gotta keep trucking. Find the Acme component. Also uses listing. Yeah, it was commented on errors. You can now uncomment it. Okay. Let's uncomment the Acme logo. Let's see what that looks like. Logo. Got a logo on our page. Okay, making progress, y'all. We just gotta keep on trucking, if you know what I mean. Alright, Next.js conserves static assets like images under top of the folders, files inside the public and reference application, then regular however, this means you have to manually ensure your images is responsive to different screen sizes. Set image sizes for different devices. Prevent layout shift as the image loads. Lazy load images that are outside the user's viewport. Image optimization is a large topic in web development. Okay. Using the image component is an extension of HTML and comes with automatic image optimization. I've heard mixed things about the image component. Printing layout should automatically image and loading, blah, blah, blah. Adding the desktop hero image. Let's use the image component. If you look inside the public folder, you'll see two images. I do. I do see two images. Bear with me 1 second here, folks. Let me just try this. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure I was looking at that right. Okay. Let's see, what are we looking at here? Okay, so import image from next image. This is a page. So I'll do that. And then we're going to put in our hero image. Which is add hero image here. Okay, let's say, can we see our hero image? Hey! Hey! Okay, here you're setting the width to 1000, height to 760. It's a good practice to set the width and height of your images to avoid layout shift. These should be an aspect ratio identical to the same image. And as the hidden class hidden to remove the image from the DOM on mobile screens. An empty block to show the image on desktop screens. Now to try and add the image under image of the mobile. Okay, so we're gonna add another image below this one for mobile. Did it give me the 560 to 620? 560 to 620. Okay, so is this mobile version? I don't really know this. I know it's like backwards. Let's see. Block. Yeah, you switch out the things. And I kinda knew that. You switch out the things. Alright, true or false, images without dimensions and with fonts are common causes of layout shift. True. Recommended reading. Hey, we could read all kinds of stuff. I don't need optimized, just need big wig. Alright, so far our application only has a home page. Let's learn how you can create more routes and layouts. Next.js uses file system where folders are used to create nested routes. You can create separate UIs for each route using layout.page. Page is not special. Is a special file that exports a React component. It's required to route to be possible, accessible. In your application, you already have a page file. And this homepage associated with the route. To create a nested route, you can nest folders inside each other and add page.txsx files inside them, for example. Okay. To create a nested route, you can, for example, create a new folder called dashboard inside app. Dashboard. How about that, sports fans? Then create a new page.txx file. Okay, I can do that. I can do a new file, page.txx, okay. And with the following, okay, so I'm just gonna put dashboard page, okay. Export default function page and return back, okay. Now make sure that the development server is running. Go to this. You should see the dashboard text. I see. Save that. Nice. See it? Dashboard text. Okay. This is how you create different pages, create new routes folder inside it by having a special name for page files. Next.js, like co-locate UI components with your routes. Only the content inside the page file will be publicly accessible. For example, the UI and lib folders are co-located inside the app along with your routes. Let's practice creating more routes. Okay, so under dashboard, we need a new folder as customers. Is that right? And invoices. New folder invoices. Okay. And then we're gonna just copy this page, paste this page there, paste this page there. This one's gonna be customers page. And this one's going to be invoices. We good, we good, we rolling, we rolling, we good, we good, we rolling, we rolling. Okay. Okay, let's get back to this. Creating the dashboard layout. Dashboards have some sort of navigation that's shared across multiple pages in Next.js. You can use the special layout inside dashboard. Add a new file called layout. Okay, I understand what they're saying. Layout.tsx. And then we're going to put this in there. And this is our layout. I think. Okay, a few things are going on with this code, so let's break it down. First, you're importing the side nav component into your layout. Any components you import into this file will be part of that layout. The layout component receives a children's prop. This child can either be a page or another layout. In your case, the pages inside the dashboard will only be necessary layout, like so. Okay. That's how it looks. I need to say something. Save. Check it out. I got a dashboard. He's got a dashboard. Okay. One benefit of using layouts in Next.js is that the navigation, only the page components update, while the layout won't re-render. It's called partial re-rendering. Yeah. Root layout. In chapter 3, you import the inner font as a reminder. This is called a root layout and is required. Any UI that you add to the root layout will be shared across all pages. You can use a root layout to modify your HTML and body tags and add metadata. Okay. Since the new layout you created is unique, you don't need to add any UI to the root layout above. What's the purpose of layout file on Next.js? To share across pages. Yes. Navigating between pages. We're making 25% done. That's not looking good for our 2.5 hours, y'all. Okay, in the previous chapter you learned dashboard, how to use a next link component, path name, hook, navigation works. Okay, to link between pages you traditionally use the A element. At the moment, the sidebar links use the A elements, but notice what happens when you navigate between home, invoice, and pages under boundary. Do you see it? There's a full page refresh. The link component. In Next.js, you can use the link component between pages in your application. Link allows you to do client-side navigation with JavaScript. To use the link component, open app/UI/dashboard/navlinks and import link component from next/link. Then replace a tag with link. Okay, let's do that. So to use component, open the UI dashboard. Okay. Dashboard. Have links. And then replace the A tag with link. Okay, we're gonna import our link from link. And then we replace the A tag with link. Not a link, link. And then link. And I save. Right. Oops. Does it need to be capitalized? Is it case sensitive? Is that my problem? It's case sensitive. Link ink. Save. Is that better? Okay, now it shouldn't update. It's not saved, is that what it is? We did it, y'all. Nothing's updating. But that's what we wanted. Okay. Automatic code splitting and pre-fetching. To improve the navigation experience, Next automatically code switch application by root segments. This is different from traditional React SPA, where browser loads all application code on the initial load. Splitting code by routes means that pages become isolated. This is if a certain page throws an error, the rest of the application will still work. Furthermore, in production, whenever link components appear in the browser viewport, Next.js automatically fetches the code for the link route in the background. By the time the user clicks the link, the code for the destination page will already be loaded in the background, and this is what makes the page transition near instant. Very cool. What does Next.js do when a link component appears in the browser's viewpoint in a production environment. Prefetches the code. Prefetches the code. Okay, shadow active link. Showing active links. A common UI pattern is to show an active link to indicate to the user that the page is currently on. To do this, you need the user's current path from the URL. Next.js provides a hook called usePathName. You can use the check path to implement this pattern. Since usePathName is a hook, you would turn navlinks.txx into a client component and React's useClient directed to the top of the file. Import usePathName from Next-navigation. So we go to navlinks, right? And then we're gonna do use client. This is gonna bring in our path name, right? Path name. Next, assign the path to a variable called pathName inside your navlinks component. Exit default function. It's right here. You can use the CLS introduced in the chapter on CSX on the play styles. Okay, let's do that. And then I'll add this in. And this in. Is that right? Save and check. Okay. Let's see what you did. Nice. It worked. They're highlighted blue. Yay. We did it. Okay, y'all. Let's keep on trucking. Completed chapter 5. Alright, now we're getting to the fun part, setting up our database. Before you can continue working on your dashboard, you'll need some data. In this chapter, you'll be setting up a PostSQL database for one of Vercel's marketplace integrations. If you already sent one, probably use your own database, bro. You can skip this chapter and set up your own. Alright, to start, let's push your repository to GitHub if you already haven't done so. I don't know how to do that. I'm kind of new to this, so let's get this set up. I might have to sign up. I might have to sign up. Let's begin the adventure. I'm gonna have to change my password so you guys can't hack me. Please solve the puzzle.
Option 1.
Meow.
Option 2. Option 3.
Three. Verified. This is running into my time, y'all. Having to get set up. Running into my time. Running into my time. Okay, let me get this set up. Let me get this set up while we're doing this. I gotta change my password since I flashed my password at you. Not that I don't trust y'all, but I know one of y'all would totally try to get in. In fact, you may be trying to get in right now, and I need to hurry. Change it real quick. If I can figure out how to change it. If I can figure out how to change it. You might beat me to it. Let me do it again. I have to verify. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. I'm a human, officially. Thank you. Okay. Alright, we're almost there, folks. Almost there. Just how to get set up. That's how new I am. I don't have a GitHub. Okay. All right. Let's get back to it. All right. I need a new. Let's see. New repository. Right. Create new repository. This one's going to be called Next.js dash. Is that what I should call it? Does it matter what I call it? Does it matter what I call it? I don't think it matters. Dashboard. Okay, quick setup. I got my repository set up. Now I just gotta learn how to commit to I don't have a Vercel account either. I ain't got either one of those. I ain't got a Vercel account or a GitHub, huh? Well, I got a GitHub now. How hard is it to push to GitHub? That can't be that hard, right? That can't be that hard, right? Okay, let's Google it. How to push. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find this entertaining. Someone struggling with Git. How do we push? Node name, branch name. Here we go. We're getting there. We're gonna figure it out. Why does that let me? I got copy. Okay. It's like, I don't know who you are. Okay. That makes sense. No, let me commit. It kind of doesn't. The user in this. Let's try again. GitHub.com. This. Origin already exists. Well, yeah, or exists. What am I doing? Let's see. Let's see, can I do this? The save permission denied. Give me permission. Yeah. I'm missing something here. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think I ran into some things that I needed to sign up for. And I didn't get signed up for them. So I think what I'm going to do is let's take a little break. Let's get signed up. Just try the challenge again. Next time what I'll do is I'll do an hour. No, I'll do 2 hours. So I already put an hour in for part 2. And it won't be cheating. I'll get signed up. It's just hard to sign up on stream because I don't want to get my password out there and all that fun stuff. So, yeah, probably do it tomorrow. So check in then. We'll do part 2, and we'll get through the rest of it. Let's see, just to see where we're at. Where did we go? Right here. I'm learning all kinds of stuff. 31% of the way. So technically we should be 60% of the way by part 2. Part 3, we'll finish it out. So a little longer than I thought, but once we get all this stuff set up, I'm sure it'll be a lot easier after that point. Once I get the GitHub going and all that stuff, it'll be a lot easier for the next project because then I can utilize those tools and even make even more progress there. So definitely not a waste or anything here. But I do appreciate everybody joining in, and we'll do it again tomorrow and just see what we can manage. And I have my homework for tonight. I'll get that done, get set up, and then we'll meet back tomorrow